On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was.
It's October 3rd. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evensyaxo, coming to you with another video. And today I'm bringing you this Mean Girls inspired makeup look. Now this is Mean Girls but with a twist because it's Mean Girls Vampire Edition. So I just created Regina George if she was a vampire. So I'm giving you smoky, I'm giving you bloody, and pink. So if you guys would like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. So first off, we're gonna prime our face. I'm gonna be using Juno & Co.'s face primer. This one's the Moonshine Primer. I kind of want to do my brows, but I don't know. I feel like I should do them a lot more sharper because I'm basically a vampire, so I feel like vampires have sharper brows. So let's give myself a sharper brow. Using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. This one is in the color Chocolate Mousse. Alright, so we're gonna move straight into doing our eye makeup. So I'm taking this Juvia's Place concealer. I like using this as my eyeshadow base now. Alright, I'm gonna use this black NYX Jumbo Pencil. I can open it. Okay, there it is. This black NYX Jumbo Pencil, and I'm just going to put this all over the lid. And I'm using black eyeshadow from the Amrezy palette. This is the color BK. I'm gonna take Senza from that same palette. It's this like purpley pink color. And I'm just going to use that to kind of blend the outer edges of my black eye. Then I'm gonna take the Sweet Pinks palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take the hottest pink they have, mixed with this pink. Alright, so I put on fake lashes, obviously, but I put on some lashes, some extra, you know, some extreme lashes, and I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. Now I'm going to go ahead with concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal my bags because they're looking a little dark. To set, I'm going to really like bring it up because I want to kind of deform my face in a way. I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier setting powder, but I'm going to use a lot more powder because I want to be like ghostly. Okay, it's time for the fun part. First off, we're gonna go with an easy bronzer first, just a little easy. I'm gonna take this bronzer from Nabla Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and sculpt. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go back into the Sweet Pinks palette, and I'm going to take the light pink first. Then I'm gonna go in with the darker purple to bring closer to my lash line. With a very small brush with a little bit of black, like almost not even enough black on there, I'm going to blend out the waterline. Alright, so the next thing we're going to use is this Skin Illustrator Onset palette. So it's supposed to be used for cuts, scratches, and all that stuff. It's alcohol activated paints, but I find that this is really good at making veins. So you guys already know what we're about to do. We're gonna add some veins coming down right here. Alright, so I did the, scary baby. I'm going to go ahead and try to contour with like a grayish tone first. So I'm going to use this color right here. But we're going to use this black right here mixed with a little bit of that purple. I think we should go in with this first and then do what it do. I want to give off that effect that like I am like losing nutrients, like I'm so hungry, I'm starving. Okay, so when you tend to like not have a lot of nutrients, your temples definitely sink in a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna add black to our temples. Now I'm gonna take this ColourPop Sailor Moon collab liquid lip. It's the Ultra Blotted Lip, and this is in the color Usagi. We're gonna take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and put that into the center, the very center of this lip. I'm gonna use a highlighter from City Color Cosmetics. This is in the color Nile. To go ahead and use black face paint to create the 2 bite marks. Get your purples and reds and start blending out the outer edge of this. Scab blood, fresh scab blood right here. I'm going to take the back of a tweezer and I'm just going to scoop up some scab blood. Oh, that's thick. And I'm just going to spread it by my mouth, okay? Alright, so this is pretty much it for my Mean Girls vampire inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join me a little familiar, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.